Welcome back. Today we are looking at a critical incident from Union Station in Los Angeles. Officers from the Los Angeles Police Department were called to assist security with a man identified as Carlton Collins. What started as a simple trespassing call would soon turn into a tragic struggle.
One of these people said he was digging in a trash. He might be hungry. Yeah. You hungry, man? You ready for what?
Yeah, I don't play for you. I'm going nuts. Yeah. Is it very nuts? Very nuts. Yeah, so let's get ready.
Then I must remove my glasses.
Right. Oh, God.
Put them right there because I don't want them to break.
Right.
Observe the officer at this moment. He decides to remove his glasses and place them safely to the side. He explicitly mentions that he does not want them to break during the encounter. This small but significant action shows that the officer is already preparing for a physical struggle. He knows that in a violent confrontation, anything on the face can become a hazard.
And now you can see, this is in your face. Ready, Mom? Oh, I can't see.
Did he get a name on him or anything? No name?
John Doe.
You hungry, man? You want a pretzel? There's Sarge right there. You want me to buy you a pretzel if you take off?
In an effort to resolve the situation peacefully, the officers offer to buy Collins food. They even suggest getting him a pretzel if he agrees to leave the station. This is a clear attempt at de-escalation, showing the officers were trying to help rather than arrest him.
Hey, I'm trying to be nice to you, man. Huh? Huh?
How you doing, sir? Sergeant Pineda. Where you headed to tonight? Where's that?
P-A-S-A.
Pasadena?
No, D-N-A. What is that?
Pasadena?
The train's up here. You want us to walk you to the train?
Train?
Oh, wow, work.
What's that?
Oh, dang work. Much work. That man, no, the truck.
Okay, so you want to get on the train?
Let me ask question.
You want to get it to Pasadena, just standing there.
No, that's the train.
Alright, sir. So they're going to give you the option. Okay, if not, they're going to have to arrest you around for trespassing. So either you walk upstairs to go get the train, or we're going to place you under arrest for trespassing. So you're going to go walk to the train to go to Pasadena?
The train right here?
The train's upstairs. You want to go? Want us to walk you up there to the train?
Yeah, that's right.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Oh, what happened? You might get a PPA for us? Yeah.
Yeah, before we put hands on them, we gotta have something to do it for. Yeah.
The officers confirm the legal code for trespassing. They mention California Penal Code 602 to ensure every move is by the book.
Because one of the guys told me that he did under 602. I just want to confirm it.
Okay.
You need to go or not?
Watch closely as the tension reaches a breaking point. Collins suddenly lunges at one of the officers. The team is forced to use physical force to bring the large man to the ground and gain control of his hands.
Hey, relax. Hey, relax. Relax.
Got some cuffs?
Okay? Relax. Okay, you gotta relax.
Let me out there.
I got it.
His hand, his wrists are huge.
Told you. Warned you.
Okay.
Even while on the ground, Collins remains combative. The officers work together to secure his legs and arms, repeatedly telling him to relax. The struggle highlights how unpredictable these encounters can be for law enforcement.
Let me go. Nope. I know what I did.
Nope, sorry. All right, man. Let's go. Ready? Help you out. Cross your feet. Cross your feet. Up yourself. All right.
Cross this foot, bro, like this.
Man.
And then roll over.
No, I'm not going over.
1, 2.
Scoot back.
Should try to. He said, okay, that's another assault, you guys. Now you're officially fired. We're not gonna. I know you
Go to the
will.
left and just put them there.
Bro, stop. Time to go. Get on my foot.
Collins was transported to the Metropolitan Detention Center. Over the next 2 days, he remained in custody. During this time, he was evaluated by medical staff to ensure he was fit for housing. After being booked at the Metropolitan Detention Center, Carlton Collins remained in custody for 2 days. On the morning of October 4, 2025, Collins began experiencing severe medical distress and reported difficulty breathing to the jail staff. Paramedics from the Los Angeles Fire Department responded quickly and transported him to a local hospital. Despite extensive life-saving measures by medical professionals, Collins was pronounced deceased about 1.5 hours later. Following department policy, any death of a person in police custody is treated as a categorical use of force. This triggers a major investigation by the Force Investigation Division to ensure all actions taken by officers and jail personnel met the department's high standards. Currently, the Los Angeles Police Department is continuing to analyze evidence and interview witnesses to determine the exact cause of this tragic outcome. This incident shows how quickly a routine call can end in tragedy. What are your thoughts on how the officers handled this encounter? Let us know in the comments below. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into police bodycam footage. Thank you for watching.